Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to integrate Wix with Zendesk in 2026. Need a professional customer support on your Wix site? Zendesk is the solution. And in today's tutorial, I'll show you how step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps. The first thing you want to do is to create a Zendesk account. And to do that, you're going to go to zendesk.com and you're going to click on try for free, and then you're going to click on sign in with your account. You're going to complete the procedure by entering your email address, your name, your business name, your employee number, and after that you're going to sign in or log in. Then you're going to add the Zendesk widget by opening the Zendesk admin center, and then click on channels here as you can see, and then click on messaging and copy your web widget code. After that, you're going to open Wix custom code. You're going to go to the Wix here, and then you're going to go to your dashboard. And after that, you're going to click on the settings. You're going to wait for it here. You're going to scroll all the way down until you find the settings, or you can click on the size here. And then you're going to click on the settings. And in the settings, you're going to go to the custom code. Let's look for custom code. We're going to click on this option right here, and we're going to open it. Now, as you can see, they are saying that the tracking tools aren't loading. It's a problem from their end. So we're just going to have to wait. And once they fix this, you're just going to open the custom code and then pass Zendesk code and pass the widgets code and set placement to all pages. And then you're going to save and publish and test. And you can publish the site and test the messages. And you can place the code in the body and on the head, and publish after adding the code, then test the logo out. And that's it. Your Wix site is now connected to Zendesk support. If you like this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.